Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Easy DIY Car AC Belt Replacement, a step-by-step guide. Car AC belt replacement. Is your car's air conditioning not blowing cold air as it should? One common culprit could be a worn-out AC belt. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple yet crucial process of replacing your car's AC belt, ensuring your drives are cool and comfortable. When the AC belt in your car starts showing signs of wear and tear, such as squealing noises or visible cracks, it's time to replace it. Neglecting this small component can lead to a complete AC system failure, leaving you sweltering in hot weather. By addressing this issue promptly, you not only restore your AC system's performance but also prevent potentially costly repairs down the road. With a few basic tools and a bit of DIY know-how, you can tackle this task and keep your car's climate control system running smoothly. In this step-by-step guide, we'll cover the tools you'll need, the key steps to replace your car's AC belt, and essential tips to ensure a successful replacement. Stay tuned as we demystify the process and empower you to take control of your car's comfort. Signs that indicate your car AC belt needs replacement. When it comes to the maintenance of your car's air conditioning system, keeping an eye on the AC belt is crucial. Here are some telltale signs that your car's AC belt might need to be replaced. Squealing or screeching noises. If you start to hear a high-pitched squealing or screeching noise coming from the engine area when you turn on the air conditioning, it could be a sign that the AC belt is worn out or slipping. This noise is typically caused by the belt slipping on the pulleys due to wear and tear. Ignoring this sound could lead to further damage to your car's AC system. Visible wear and tear. Take a look under the hood of your car and visually inspect the AC belt. If you notice any cracks, fraying, or visible damage on the belt, it's a clear indication that it needs to be replaced. Over time, the rubber material of the AC belt can deteriorate due to heat and friction, leading to these visible signs of wear and tear. AC not cooling effectively. One of the most obvious signs that your car's AC belt needs replacement is when the air conditioning system is no longer cooling the car effectively. If you find that the air coming out of the vents is warm or not as cold as it used to be, the AC belt may be slipping or not functioning properly. A worn-out AC belt can prevent the compressor from functioning correctly, resulting in poor cooling performance. Keeping an eye out for these signs can help you catch AC belt issues early and prevent more significant problems with your car's air conditioning system. If you notice any of these indicators, it's essential to have your AC belt inspected and replaced by a professional mechanic to ensure optimal cooling performance in your vehicle. Tools and materials needed for car AC belt replacement. When diving into a car AC belt replacement project, it's essential to gather the right tools and materials to ensure a smooth and successful repair job. Here's a breakdown of what you'll need for the task. Safety gear. For your safety, it's crucial to wear protective gear while working on your car's AC belt replacement. Consider donning safety glasses to shield your eyes from debris or potential splatters. Additionally, wearing gloves can protect your hands from cuts and bruises during the process. Replacement AC belt. The centerpiece of this project is the replacement AC belt. Ensure you have the correct size and type of belt that fits your vehicle's make and model. A mismatched belt can lead to inefficiencies or failures in your car's AC system. Basic tools. You'll need a set of basic tools to tackle the AC belt replacement effectively. Some essential tools to have on hand include a socket wrench set, a screwdriver set, and a pair of pliers. These tools will aid in loosening bolts, removing components, and installing the new belt with precision. Vehicle-specific tools. Depending on your vehicle's make and model, you may require specialized tools for a seamless AC belt replacement. Refer to your car's manual or do some research to identify any unique tools needed for the specific requirements of your vehicle. Having the right tools for the job can make the replacement process much more manageable and efficient. Ensuring you have the necessary tools and materials before starting the car AC belt replacement is key to completing the task successfully. By gathering safety gear, a replacement AC belt, basic tools, and any vehicle-specific tools required, you set yourself up for a productive and hassle-free repair experience. Steps to replace your car AC belt. When it comes to maintaining your car's air conditioning system, knowing how to replace the AC belt can save you time and money. Here are the step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Step 1. Ensure safety precautions. Before starting any work on your vehicle, make sure the engine is cool to prevent burns. Wear appropriate safety gear such as gloves and safety glasses. Always disconnect the battery before working near the engine to avoid any accidents. Step 2. Locate the AC belt tensioner. The AC belt tensioner is responsible for keeping the belt tight. It is usually located near the front of the engine. Consult your car's manual to locate the specific position of the tensioner in your vehicle. Step 3. Loosen the tensioner and remove the old belt. Using the appropriate tools, rotate the tensioner to release the tension on the belt. Slide off the old AC belt from the pulleys. Take note of the belt's routing before removing it to ensure the new belt is installed correctly. Step 4. Install the new AC belt. Carefully slide the new AC belt over the pulleys following the correct routing path. Use the tensioner to create tension on the belt by rotating it in the opposite direction as done during removal. Ensure the belt is securely in place on all pulleys. Step 5. Check the belt alignment and tension. Once the new belt is installed, visually inspect it to ensure it is aligned correctly on all pulleys. Check the tension by pressing down on the belt midway between two pulleys. The deflection should be within the manufacturer's specifications. Start the car and run the AC to check for any unusual sounds or vibrations. By following these steps, you can successfully replace your car's AC belt and keep your air conditioning system running smoothly. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll conclude the replacement procedure and provide final tips for ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's air conditioning system. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.